The Lowcountry is no stranger to extreme weather, leaving our roofs vulnerable to wind and hail damage. At Artigues Roofing and Restoration Services, our fully licensed and trained workers provide free roof inspections to those who may have been affected. And as a local company, we always make sure our clients are our #1 top priority. Our goal is to make the roof replacement process as simple as possible, so you can just sit back and enjoy that beautiful new roof. Artigues Roofing and Restoration Services. Call us today for a free quote.